Hey guys, happy Wednesday. We're doing a marble floor clean and polish. We came out here about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, and did the carpeting, cleaned it, and took care of some pet urine removal, and then protected it with Scotch Guard. And now we're today doing the clean and polish of their marble floor. High traffic area, kind of dulled out, and they're hiring us to make a uniform and polished up. There's a dog there. These floors right here. We got Jerry on the scene. As you can see, just high traffic areas right here. More over here. This hallway. Here. Then we're gonna do this bathroom here. You can see it's kind of dull through here, which is very common. And a lot of times, guys, you'll see on the outside how it's more shiny, less walked area. And we're gonna get that blend with our process, and it's gonna be some good results. So if you have this kind of flooring, reach out to us, AOCleaning.com. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do the clean and buff and polish of marble, natural stone. Get everything set up here, as you can see. They're excited, and basically to make everything blend. You can just tell how on the outside it's shiny. We're gonna make that a blend all the way through. So we already got the baseboards taped off. It's going good. All right, guys, stay tuned. Ayo, let's go. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys, look at the results. We just polished this marble. Look how good that looks, guys. Wow, they're gonna love it. That's what we do. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, we gave the customer a sneak peek. You can see we've done that. We have not done this. Look at that difference, guys. Look at that. Wow. Yep, looks good. Ayo, let's go. Check out that gloss. We restore all natural floors. This is a marble floor. We also do granite, countertops, quartz, and marble. Look at that, guys. Client loves it. Guys, it's going well. Look how shiny and beautiful that looks. We have already done this, and now we're gonna do this area. It's looking good. All right, guys. Just gotta finish up. Look how shiny we got this floor again. Uniform. Look at that, guys. Boom.